It's cheap. But have you ever wondered why it's so cheap? The low prices are a result of mass production and the use of low-quality ingredients. These ingredients are often sourced from factory farms where animals are treated poorly and pumped with antibiotics and hormones. It's fast. The speed at which McDonald's food is prepared and served is a marvel of modern efficiency. But this speed comes at a cost. The food is pre-cooked, frozen, and then reheated, which means it loses much of its nutritional value. It tastes good because it's loaded with salt, sugar, and fat, ingredients that our brains are hardwired to crave. But McDonald's food might just be one of the worst things you can put in your body. The high levels of unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium can lead to serious health issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. And it's not just about the calories, it's about the lack of real, wholesome nutrition. It's more than just junk food. It's engineered addiction, ultra-processing, and a cocktail of chemicals designed to make you crave more. These foods are scientifically crafted to trigger the pleasure centers in your brain, making it hard to resist and easy to overeat. And long-term damage hiding behind a smile and a clown. The friendly facade of McDonald's masks the reality of what their food does to your body over time. The marketing is designed to make you feel good about eating their food, but the truth is far from happy. Today, we're exposing exactly why McDonald's food is so bad for you and how it's been designed that way. From the ingredients they use to the way the food is prepared, every step is optimized for profit, not for your health. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the shocking truth about McDonald's food. McDonald's doesn't serve real food. It serves ultra-processed food. That means food stripped of nutrients, packed with additives, artificial flavors, colorings, stabilizers, and preservatives. Their fries contain over 10 ingredients. Chicken nuggets, nearly 40, including anti-foaming agents and TBHQ, a petroleum-based preservative. More than 60% of the American diet is ultra-processed food, linked to heart disease, obesity, and early death. That Big Mac meal? It's not just a tasty treat. It's a calorie bomb waiting to explode in your diet. You're looking at over 1,300 calories, more than half of what most people need in a day. Imagine consuming more than half of your daily caloric intake in just one meal. It's staggering, isn't it? And that's before you even think about dessert. Those tempting sundaes and pies can easily add another few hundred calories to your meal. McDonald's portions have increased over the decades, and so has the calorie load, especially from fats, carbs, and added sugars. Back in the 1980s, a meal was much smaller, but today, the portions are supersized, and so are the calories. Take the large McFlurry, for instance. It contains 93 grams of sugar, almost 4 times the recommended daily limit. That's like eating 23 teaspoons of sugar in one go. It's not just a dessert, it's a sugar overload that can have serious health implications. So next time you're at McDonald's, think twice about what you're ordering. Opt for smaller portions or healthier alternatives to keep your calorie intake in check. Your body will thank you. McDonald's uses the holy trinity of addiction, sugar, salt, and fat, carefully formulated to trigger your brain's pleasure center. The more you eat, the more you crave. It's not an accident. It's chemistry. Processed food addiction is real, and it's profitable. These foods are engineered to override your natural hunger cues. The daily recommended sodium limit is around 2,300 milligrams. A McDonald's Big Breakfast with hotcakes, over 2,000 milligrams in one meal. High sodium increases your risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and kidney disease, and it's hidden in nearly everything they serve. McDonald's food fills your stomach, but starves your body. The meals are calorie-dense and nutrient-poor. You're getting fats, sugars, and salt, but barely any fiber, antioxidants, or essential vitamins. It might feel satisfying, but your cells are still hungry. Regular fast food consumption is linked to obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, depression, even certain cancers. The more often you eat it, the more you risk long-term damage, and it starts with that first fry. 1 in 3 American children is overweight or obese. Think the salads or wraps are safe? Think again. Some McDonald's salads have more calories and fat than a cheeseburger, especially with the dressing. Even fruit options are packed with sugar and preservatives. It's health washing at its finest. So why do we keep going back? Because it's cheap, it's easy, and we've been trained to love it since we were kids. McDonald's sells familiarity and comfort, even if it's hurting us, but we don't have to keep falling for it. McDonald's food may be fast, but the damage can last a lifetime. Every bite of that burger or sip of that soda is a step towards a future filled with health complications. It's not just about the calories, it's about the long-term impact on your body and mind. The truth is shocking, but it's also empowering. Knowing the facts gives you the power to make better choices. You can take control of your health and well-being by being informed and making conscious decisions about what you eat. The next time you pull into that drive-thru, ask yourself, is this really food? Or is it just a convenient option that's been marketed to you as a necessity? Think about the ingredients, the additives, and the preservatives that go into making that meal. Or just a clever illusion designed to keep you hooked? You deserve better. Your body deserves real nourishment, not just empty calories. It's time to break free from the cycle of fast food and choose healthier alternatives that truly satisfy and sustain you. Like if this opened your eyes. Share this video with friends and family who need to hear this message. Together, we can create a community of informed individuals who prioritize their health. Subscribe for more health breakdowns. Stay updated with the latest information and tips on how to lead a healthier lifestyle. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below. Will you still eat McDonald's after this? We want to hear your thoughts and experiences. Your feedback is valuable and can help others make better choices too.